Lwaki otubonyaabonya tubuulire crazy thing kyewali okoze?
Dating someone ne mwagala ebitenkanika okay omuntu nga it is not that person oba asinga oba priest as such naye
Ngatali nga Smith is not a king, is not
having sex from a whale.
Bana omusambwa gw'okuluzi si musanyufu.
Waliwo gaye yansirwazaako n'ensirwala.
Otya?
You know someone deceiving and you fall for the lie. Eh?
What was the lie?
Simanyi kyali buzibu. Era lie za bulijjo nakulimba nkwagala bikyakoledde buli kimu. Nga amazima buli omu najja n'akugamba bakulimba. Naye nga gwe balabanga abasitaani.
Ladies and gentlemen, so much welcome. My name is On the King himself. Let's talk Woli Ngawlijo every single weekend. Tuba tukutusako another episode from this side of the gardens. Tuba tudene wachali bange bana batano as we dive into issues as zigenda maaso naddala mu ggwanga lya Uganda. But this time around we take it slowly and slow and nyege and nyaga. Why? Because social life is always the best life to look at. So nakuwairo I'm with the crazy teachers from Makerere University pursuing a degree in the bachelor's of education. Arts and education, something close to that. Anyways, today we are going to be looking another beautiful we are going to be looking at another beautiful topic. Thank you so much. Nkwagala nnyo because you correct me. Abasomesa mwina olugezigezi. Anyways. Kale tugenda kuba twebuuza what is the craziest thing you've ever done in a relationship and why? So many people have done so many crazy, shitty things mu bulamu bwabwe, ebintu bye batasobola kwerabira. Naye waliwo nange kyesobola kwerabira naye ngenda kuba nti bawulira olunaku olwo. Have I even ever been in a relationship?
no better.
I think yeah, I've ever. Anyways, from the right side, from the left side to the right side. Let me start from my right. From the left. Introduction once again. Let's introduce ourselves.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Mercy Gillian Chisache, your one and only. By the way, I'm a proud Arsenal fan. Ate mpagira ke CCM Uganda.
Chiwede toyongerako ba Arsenal. Kanzile wano.
Hello everyone, I'm Jingo Jovia from Makerere University doing Bachelor's of Arts
In education.
with education.
Kale, so go supporting achi?
Ndiwa Arsenal kubanga nti.
Arsenal Kati kanzile ku side yange ya left, right.
Everyone. I'm Catherine, pursuing a bachelor's degree.
Ibino yotabyongerako katolide babimanyi. O supporting a team
proud teacher of Uganda.
Ah.
I say no.
Abamanyi tugenda room yabo. On my extreme left.
I'm Namgemash Bakatumba.
Proud supporter.
7 up.
Yeah, it's okay. Tuwangula we twagalidde ya. Yeah, which is okay.
Anyway, since it's not a football show, we'll go into our social topic today. Let's talk quality. Please subscribe, and watch this show from Wetandikira mpaka Jagwera. Anyways, today the question is, what is the craziest thing you've ever done in a relationship and why? Kandanikene Shiba.
Was that really necessary? Well, like, katikati zemba siberanga ko mu relationship.
So, tandikirawo Shiba, what's the craziest thing you've ever done in a relationship? Chichi wali okoze nga baba cho. Wafa bufi.
Nga kinnuma paka nakati kinnuma.
Wacha kunyumira.
Craziest, let me see. Oh my God.
Shiba, tubuulire
Nga kiswaza okwogera ku kamera.
Just be okay. Go achikola.
Kadebike. Having sex from a whale. Kuluzi.
Dario, killer. Why did you do that?
Oh my God. It was so nice.
Okay, and how did it happen? Like to tell him on the journey because yes.
That's get akogera twatandikira what a Mombuza the craziest. It's that.
How was it?
How was it?
It was so nice.
Really?
And why? Just nali nkoye room.
Wali mto, wali mkulu?
Sali muto nnyo koze najjako embuzi nga mu 18.
Oh.
Bayina ebibuuzo mwambuuze kimu nawe ogenda babuuza.
No, like serious. Shiba tugamba babeera matini kati simanyi waliyo oluze matini.
Matini waliyo enzigi. Waliyo wakuleka. Isi wakulekana?
Waliwo oluze.
Oluzi babeta kumwawa? Oluzi lwa?
No. Yeah, Mbela Machinde, but it wasn't in Machinde. I was living at my judge's place in Ndeje.
Ndeje no wentebe Ndeje.
No. Yeah, Ntebe. I was in some nice relationship. Oh my God. Ale mbwa gwe nakowa. Naye
era yakutwala ku luzi.
Oluzi lwali lwa kidiba lwali lwa mudumu.
No lubalukirira. Baluita batya.
Waliwo olubeerako pipes nga zifuluma.
No, it's not like Oluzi by the way. Yeah, Nsulo no my Ndeje is something like that.
Wait.
Yeah, so olubalukirira. Kati twali eyo ngomukwana gututateyo.
Oluzi lukutana lukulu.
Mwali eyo.
Amazzi kolo ne bafumba ki.
No, it was night. Nawe it was sawa gasatu.
Kati jajja wamulimba ki?
No, my jaja nge slay queen kati ebintu tabibeerako nnyo bolazeewa. Yeah, so I had some nigga I was dating by then.
Nga bamuyitani. Kale tunyumize some nigga you are dating.
So kati nemgamba ati they're not going to come at your home. At least let me meet you behind. Ati luzi waliyo tati. Okay, let me meet you behind that church. Ati nitogera.
Mukozesa simu.
No, like our church.
That is a one modern nnyo.
Then
It is okay.
Yeah, I have to.
That moment,
No, not really. This was.
Kale, moving on to my extreme right. Tell us what's the crazy. Omanye emboozi eno yatandise kironga abawala bano bali ne bakyali baabo oli namugaa muno oli yagaya mbintu namaana abimuwa oli n'abirya because of love. Netugamba ati naffe tukyogerako. What is the most craziest thing you've ever done? Go into the comment section, drop your comment. Tujja kuba tugisoma on the next show. Yes. Okay. Madam Luganda.
Nze. Kebera simu.
Oh, that's not crazy.
It is crazy in which way? Waliwo kebera and byonna byosanze, it's okay. Naye waliwo kebera nga byosanze bisasamaza. In which way? Waliwo kebera nosanga yes, waliwo side chick, nenga just flowing in a normal way. You get, how are you? I'm fine. I love you too. I miss you too. You're cute, you're handsome, that's a normal jazz. But there is
Jazz yo kwagala okuwa.
Wabula yesterday wabadde wanjawulo.
If you're talking about crazy things we did in a relationship. Okay, but the sim is not that crazy.
Yeah, it's not crazy.
No,
it's not crazy, but
I think we're talking about something you didn't like. I swear, Oyote Yadins.
You want that one?
Not wrong, it is something.
You people, your topic is trying to
It is okay to talk.
Waliwo ebiri primary nga kyo wokyogero ojja kufa ekyo kireke ne wabeerawo kale n'obulyawo close
to primary.
Close to primary.
Gawo gambye oli yagaya mu mmere n'agikasuka.
Kati yagaya mu mmere n'agikasuka. Okay, kati ngawo n'agenda ku weekend ne weefumbiza. Okitegeera ne weesobboye.
Ekyo naawo tekiri.
Lwaki otubonyaabonya tubuulire crazy thing tewali okoze.
Having sex in a car, chichi.
I'm so fainting.
Abana agamwegatta.
Ngoddewo ekifo. Kyali kitya?
mulange
ebisana kiro
Mukwano, having sex in a car, how was it?
omuto
First way,
bagumenya
ngenda kubuuza kumu. How was it? Okay, at what time? Which mood? Kwegamba, how were
Which
you
style?
feeling? Which style? When you think
Baba,
about it.
emotoka
Motoka ki?
Neda, to cut the whole story short,
Yeah.
just tell us how it happened and like the whole story, yes, and how it came about, and the feeling.
and the feeling kirungi nnyo okwanibwa ku muntu ng'alina ssente. Yeah, I would say that.
Tokubye nnyo.
Ffe baalira ku luzzi.
Motoka. Abo abennyonyi bagenda kujja, bonna bagenda sirika.
wamaze nali mu nnyonyi kati
Nali ku lyato.
Kiki mugezaako okukola?
Twalize wamu, it's fun. Tafugika and akola kyawulira kyayagala. Bagamba money talks, right?
I know, right?
So that day,
Yeah.
Charlie wants.
nenyumya gyakinyumya naga oh my god
Byanyuma.
I wish it never ended
It's the craziest thing she has ever done. You
Naye
guys.
nze nga yantama.
Ago wali waluzi gali gakulokoka.
Ate ng'oluzzi luliko omusambwa gwakyo. N'obudde bwali ayise bagamba mbu oluzzi lulina omusambwa zadiga nadibabu wulira bwe kirombo omusambwa gwajja ne gugamba muzukulu wakoze tebyazze
Kibandeka.
oddangayo
Kibandeka.
naye bana
Omwogede. Kwata wano.
mugende bati gye munoonye
Bana. Era if you're watching us and you're from Ndeje, kindly. Bana. Bana omusambwa gw'okuluzi si musanyufu. Wamma tunyumize eby'emmotoka.
So, yali akola safari.
Okay.
That night yakomawo and then nan-texting nangamba I want to meet you nga sinnaddaka. I was like okay. Saawa mmeka? 6 ogw'ekiro.
Ne muleka omuntu alinyumiza ekiboozi. Wamma sabula.
Genda kutuka.
amanyumya abantu tebamanyi
Time is going. We have
Wamma
a
tunyumize.
lecture.
Tunyumize wamma.
Wamma saa 6 ogw'ekiro.
Yes.
Nangamba I'm coming. So nali nkola and mami taliwo kugamba
This
"Where
is
are you
around what
going?"
time? Senior 6 vacation or
Senior 6 vacation.
just here.
Just here.
Tell us.
Just
Tell
here.
us.
Yeah. See, Luli is very far. Just here. Wamma, senior 6 back. Nkola. Kato. So he calls. In a supermarket night shift.
Yeah.
Wacho yagala okumanyira byonna.
Nze no weninze we wali woyingirira emmotoka.
Nze nange kubanga emito gy'emmotoka egyo tegimenyeka. Bavuga
Experience ogenda munene.
kuba babi.
Ama tunyumiza
So mu buwanvu giba miwanvu.
Nedda ojumenya kizibu.
Tunyumize wamma.
So ngajja and my shift was done. Twagalangawo saawa 7, 8 nno.
Okay.
Kaga tuba tukyali waggule. So najja nampiikinga ne tugenda ewaka.
At his
Ewuwe.
place.
Sabula.
But we didn't go inside the house. Sigala mu compound. Tekyali jingo get me like nkwata nkuwe jazz.
Story. And I know this jazz you guys have never heard of, however much you've been friends.
I swear we have never taken time
Let's now tell the jazz.
So tetwatuuka mu nyumba ne tusigala mu motoka.
Ng'omululu gubatta.
abaganda musirike
Mucyanguya
Katusirike.
awombuke mbawe ne bye.
Today wali mutuuse motoka eparking.
Yes, epakinze.
they don't
Ne
enter
tusigala nga tunyumya
Nakwata ku
like
ssambiro.
byolabya nti okutambula kulaba kudda kunyumya.
Sabula.
Nanyumya. At the end of the day, the jazz was boring to me. Because it's Saturday, yani.
And all that.
I had to doze off.
Eh.
Yeah. Na ye chanzu kusa.
Nakwata ku nyunyu.
Ogenda owulira emikono giyitingana.
Yes, emikono giyitinganye
And it had taken long.
wa mabega.
wamwatuuka ne mube maaso ne mudde emabega.
Mwana omwaso omuto gweno side.
Eyo yali call to action yali eggwa. Kasita let me tell you guys, kasita omusajja avuga emmotoka mutuukanga. Anti ekugamba kasita tuka na parkinga. Ne mudde emabega amajingo.
Maaso osobola okujjako ku stage.
Babes, Kongs, how did it feel?
How did it feel?
Yeah.
How should I say it?
Nice.
Tell us.
Good. Yeah.
Do you miss that moment?
No.
Fenna bandi tuliriddeko mu
Would you
motoka.
wish to ever?
No.
Because it
You
was
wish to ever
crazy.
came shit with him again?
Crazy. No.
He wasn't good.
Can you go meet and eat?
Bumbumbu wafuna akulisa foko naka.
Nedda. Shiba. Do this. Amajingo. Come closer.
Tinyumizeeko ekalangala.
It is crazy.
The craziest.
Jingo ngenda kuddira. The craziest wamma.
Kati obami what should I say? Kubanga there are a lot of things about where should I begin from. I even don't know but nyinza obbaleeta era ne mugamba that is not crazy.
Era unoite ekitali crazy tujja kugambira that is not crazy.
Okay. The craziest thing I've ever done in a relationship, that is, okay, I even can't imagine nti oba nalinze to find where, okay, by that, then nali nkyalina muto. Si nnyo naye nali nakavaawo. No, it was during around COVID. So, nga waliwo ka tight security waffe naye nze gwe mulabanga saawa mukago gwekiro mba ndi wabweru.
Era olirabika.
Takuba nnyo. Okay, nga it is at night naye ffe nyini tuli mu night walk tutambula. Kiro, yeah. Okay, we could spend a lot of time as people are sleeping finger we are seated somewhere.
Night walkers and dancers.
Munne nga ffe tutambula tunyumya as other people are sleeping. One day even my daddy atulane kumyawo nanninda. Nga bwengena ne mulingizaako bwentipola nga wali nenzira emabega. Yeah, that's all I can tell
What
you.
is the craziest thing you've ever done in a relationship? Totubuzabuza.
Nenjitegeeza siyina.
Nze nga
Siyina kisukakaawo. Olina ky'omanyi?
You said you have a lot. So
Yes.
at least tell, like just mention them. We'll say we'll tell you that is the craziest one. You're about its story.
Oh, craziest.
Sinafina tuduseko ke wakalirwa literally.
Okujjako
nze ne mami wange yansigalirako ebweru nagamba todda beerayo.
Gwe mu mmotoka ng'ebimotoka biwooma. Wamma.
Okay, anyway, moments ezisinga bubeera budde butera kuba nga bwa kiro. As other people beebase nze neetuuzizza.
Sagala crazy.
Twagala
Yes.
crazy. Wetuuzizza wa era ng'okolawo ki?
Neetuuzizza in some place.
Nabo ku kamera bawakaje.
Sokode wa Jingo.
Nedda katugenda kuddamu nedda soke nze moderator nze what is the craziest thing you've ever done?
Soko otambuze nga bwenkinoonya.
Olina bingi.
Soko oyogere.
Jingo.
Soko otubulire. Nze kambabuulire Smith wayogera buli kimu ngenda kibagamba.
Tosobola.
Okutandikira ku primary, ku semi primary ne mini primary kati
Wonna walingawo crazy moments.
wonna waliwo naye
Zimentioning nze nkubulye story yange.
buzibu sooka oyogere bwe nnaayogera nja kuba nkulesi.
Nedda yogera kati bbiri kale eza primary n'eza pre-primary.
Simanyi primary. Anti kati obuzibu ezandibadde nga crazy moments. Mba siri soba. Kati mba sola gikugamba clearly.
Kale zimentioning ati ozijjukira. Story eyinza okutaba clear naye ozijjukira.
Waliwo gye nzijjukira. Kale simanyi oba it is such crazy but whenever I sit back I'm like, was that really me? Kale nga bwe neeraba waliwo gaye yansirwazaako n'ensirwala.
Otya.
You know someone deceiving and you fall for the lie.
What was the lie?
Simanyi kyali buzibu. Era lie eza bulijjo nakulimba nkwagala bikyakoledde buli kimu. Nga amazima buli omu najja n'akugamba bakulimba. Naye nga gwe balabanga abasitaani. So, era tewali kyamaanyi nnyo kati.
Gaye yamaliza ebintu byabiridde.
Kyekisoboka nazukuka. Nedda ate mwe temwogedde nazukuka kyegezaako bannyonnyola nti twefuula nze nali nemanyi nga omuntu atawuba nga buli kimu mba nkulaba yonna move gy'oluka.
Have you ever been in a relationship, first of all?
Yes, I
Yes.
have.
So what's the craziest thing you've ever done in a relationship?
Compromising for a guy.
How? People compromise for like in relationship day in, day out.
N'osalawo okukyawa omuntu naye n'ogaana ne weewa ensonga n'omusigaza naye ng'amazima matuufu simuli. You give yourself a reason to step back even if the reason is not there. Yes.
Nemo babiri mwina speed kwe munvugira sinagitegeera. Okay.
The other crazy bit of it, it may not be necessarily crazy, but okay, over going down to earth for someone like I've ever okay, according to that I take myself siganya I meet be stubborn, naughty and what na yeah, dating someone ne mwagala ebitenkanika okay omuntu nga it is not that person oba single oba priest as such na yeah
Ngatalinga Smith is not a king, is not
okay,
yes,
whatever the case is naye omuntu nemwewa ssebo nga ne waba tankubidde nze mukubira nanyeeza nenkipulenga ku lunganza munayenze ali so down to earth. Okay.
But that's not crazy. That is just being in love. I think that's being in love.
That is exceptional. That is exceptional.
It's crazy, you know, that later on ozuukuka n'ogamba naye was that really
According to embeera z'omuntu according nabano engeri gye bamanyimu. Okay, baba balaba ekintu ekiri exceptional kyemba nkoze ekisukkulumye.
Ngogo omudiri bada balaba omudiri bada ali mu firimu ye. Let me tell you guys, me the worst crazy thing I've ever done in a relationship was almost committing suicide for someone. I almost killed myself. For real. Some lady left me. Nemfa. I couldn't think. I couldn't do nothing, but I was a walking dead person.
Sorry. Yakomawo.
Ate yadda. Jali.
Kati
That is how crazy it was.
I was sinalowooza. I used to like drink myself silly, like not drink like because I don't drink, but drink like beverages.
Yes, Kati, that's
Silly. I couldn't drive like late in the night. Like drive late in the night. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't like, you know, crazy. Like I almost committed suicide. Like I was so depressed. Love, namwagala nyo like that's the worst, craziest thing. I think.
Right here, Kuleka, have you ever been there and you and seen a way?
Kati byonze mbyebuuza yalina byebuuza nze nali mwagala nze gonna nandekawo namenya omutima. Yeah, that's why now sitemesa nagamba yena ajja alina okujja nga ali ready okugula volts nga 8 okutuuka weguli.
Ate obonyabonya ne ba innocent.
Ate how?
Ogenda baleetera ogamba nti n'abasajja babi.
Someone is going to come ngali willing, you know? Ngali willing
Ng'agenda kukola
ennaku yo n'ebyo ebizimu bye ebya suicide.
Ebizimu bye ebya suicide.
Naleeta love ye ng'eri wholesome. Ne kakati gwe olwekyo you reject. Omanyi have much
Mala
you pretend to love
gyetegereza.
that person.
No, mala gyetegereza.
Ebbanga lyetegereza naye agenda kweta.
Katulaba oli gwakyasobola okuliira ku luzzi. Bayasobola okuliira mu mmotoka. Aha, kati wamma kati okyasobola obeera mawube. Wamma gwe okyasobola obeera crazy nga wogambye.
Sikyabidda.
Kingezaako bagamba these crazy things.
Mwana gwe waliwo woofuna omuntu mwana gwe n'oddamu bye wali okola.
Crazy at all kubanga era bakikola leero n'omulala najja n'okiddamu n'omulala najja n'okiddamu and you remain normal.
As long as you fall in love, you become crazy. Full stop.
You repeat the same things. N'oddamu okay. Incidents change. Omuntu n'addamu n'akwagala n'oddamu ate n'osuusa becoming more crazy.
But something you're like,
Yeah,
I
but-
swear siino sisobola kukiddamu
Naye
ne bwe
kyesasobola
baba
kuddamu byonna mbikoze ekyaluzi nomukama tomanya bintu bye
Bayinza okutwala ku luzzi.
Sasula rate. Omusajja
Wali gisasuddeko.
otidde.
That's another crazy thing, right?
Yeah.
But people pay rent for guys.
No.
no
Jingo
nze
people
nesasula
do.
rent nalina form 6 imagine ngakwata
pocket
Pocket
money.
I even call home. I even lie for trips. Oh my God.
Ononyaza rent
Hey,
gayewa.
Gamua, yeah, Namwaga.
Anti awositukawo.
Then it was after I name. I called him. I was like, I really want to see Nangamba. And you call her, and busy in town. I was like, it's okay. Katso? Nangamba, and get a jolly waka. Like, if you share everything, go on your copy.
Kangendeyo. Wasangayo jingo ngali mbuliri.
Staga for life.
I found that door. Galuz there, and I was like, here, Tona Ngambi, where is the what? Home open. Nisagawa, and Nasagawa of Gato.
Olimba. Olimba. Analimba. Onalimba. Alimba.
Mama.
No, I did not die. Safa.
You fainted.
Cause no,
You lost it.
I know one thing about me. I'm a strong woman. Sometimes sobola tambula like kale sobola kabla and then.
Yeah, what they were.
When I opened like this, I saw what I saw.
What? No, tell us what you saw.
No. I was like, it's okay.
Sajja mukulu ngali ku lusozi.
Salama. Salama.
Kuba nsobola kwagala abantu ba ku kyalo. Wali makindi akwayo salama. Nze olina kubeera wanejjeera nga nze ndi we mutundwe. Wogambira ovuga ojjeyo oba onsange. Nga nange navuddeyo ddala maliriza byenkola. Katurenti yali amusasi igwe.
Ngomusajja kyabera ku boys quarter zeewa.
Katurenti wamusasula wa?
Like nemugamba anti kyasobola nze kujja wamwe.
N'omurentingira.
Like nemugamba like let's do this. So say
Okay, that actually brings me to this question. Who should invest in who first?
Man.
Because we've all been in these crazy relationships and crazy love thing at our young age. We're only remaining with actually only 10 minutes. So let's do this. Who should invest in who first? And I know take a marker center. Agamba kati shiba ya gambye ye atekamu yamuga musajja nsa so akujja ku mizigo gye wamwe. Tetuba tukola tufuneyo ka room.
Kati nze kankubulire. When you come to the side imbo oba nandigambye a man should.
Let's first sing this song. Rain, rain, go away, come back on.
Ne oba oyimbira luyite tulukuba.
was that really necessary?
Tokubye nnyo. Tokyaswala oswaza buswaza. Kangende wajinga majinga as we come to the end of the show. Who should invest in who?
Alina. If I have, I can invest in you. If you have, you invest in me. Kuyambagana.
Yeah. Because relationship things. Bina bela iko. Because montage. Not every time Tom Sajja agenda bela nazo. Not every time tis agenda bela nazo. Like in case you want, like you need help, I don't ngamba honey, this and this. I be like, okay, I have this small. Okay, at least let's share.
Also wavudde ba sugar mami.
To some extent, tuyinza okuba nga tukaba betonze wemba nyina nga nkwana naye ate omusajja n'olemala because you know ntinze I will always be there. Notuuka ekiseera okwegamba n'oba n'osiwa busiriwazi munenga nze nkuwa. My girlfriend will do this one and this.
Waba mutegevu nga mweyagala. He can never relax because he will know that it is his responsibility to fund. So you giving him, you're funding a relationship. Because doing an investment. Tiringanga bwogera ku matano sasola school fees z'omwana tosuubirayo magoba.
Mbanga suubira. Oyo omwana wamala okusoma balina okuzza.
Once you get a wife, that wife is your responsibility.
Thank you so much. That's what I'm saying.
Kati now, you have to endeavor to fund that
that's
woman.
What I'm saying, that a man should always invest first. Let's hear from you.
Yes, our responsibility, but not in everything. I nakuba responsibility.
Yes, I'm also saying not in everything. Okay, to some extent. Okay, chenkugamba chidi bwe
okay, 70%.
70% omusajja
90%.
I'm sorry
As a man, I'm
permit
saying
me to supplement. we're talking about investment and funding. We should also talk about when and where. Wano we tuli ku campus omusajja si kitaawo. Omuzadde akimanya alina omwana ku campus ate sawa zino okera ku matanga oli mwana wa bwala n'okubewa kano gamba toyina kyakula n'omuzadde ategeera ekimala nti wotuukidde okuba essimu tokola ki togenda genda oweesibe ku mwana waabe.
Mwibale nnyo nene ga muri mu relationship omusajja nze kyengamba muno like the manship has to come out nga omusajja like nga wetuba bya mmere even if you want to contribute I have to first bring in what I have on the table.
Nembufumbo no Smith what was I mitukola no let me tell you even some men do it right
first but there
really
is
go
another
first.
there is another
webijjira okubeerako first kati for example muli mu bufumbo kati olina okuweerera abaana of course omukazi obeera olusi nga toyina omusajja mukimanyi muvunaanyizibwa bwe alina oweerera abaana alina olabire waka igwe omukazi wogiramu that is only
engeri gyetali bafumbo badde nsaba tudde ku level yaffe
watuula ewaka ng'otulidde obukadde bubiri ku nsawo olinze taata waanoozise
ngambye nti nno bwe ziba nga zimubuze nga nze nnyina njabbalabya naye naturally nammwe mukimanyi buvunaanyizibwa bwe
ate kata okikola
aiswaya kugamba ngenda kwata weba nti mtwala 5 ngateekayo but it's alone. Like I nsobola okugula buno obutono obu requirement it's okay naye fees
yes oba omuyambako ebimu ebitono
me I'm thinking women are supposed to invest first. For example, if omwana school fees wakakadde nakusooka at least okugamba for you to put on something nakusooka kujja with let's say 70% of that money mitwalo 7 nengamba baby mitwalo 7 kai aneda tuwe tugenze mu school fees temunazaala let's come here at campus let's have taken you for a date let's say akasente kenna bill jegze tegwayo
if you've chosen to take me for a date
why should I
obasobola kuntwala ndeke ewaka
okay you order for ice cream tonight to the ice cream it's okay
what if you take me
when I take you I
kweziko ngamba nti nno twagalagana ku certain trip ya mitwalo 2 naye mukwano I want to pay you but I have 150 help me awo nja teekako.
There's some women that these days don't even care yagamba gambe oh Smith what mitwalo 2 don't worry I'll do that
nga gwangambye nti no babe I would like to pay for you
into the campus level yes sikola
nawe tokola
netakola
it is just a side hustle
sikola kati gonsaba ote mtwalo 2 ng'omanyi
so Shiba you've never invested in a man hello no ketuve kale mubye what to get direct but now that you are mubufu
like now
you wouldn't invest in a man would you would
yeah
okay
I would
pardon
I would I do actually
to what extent on 100
if it is required
no leave alone keeping other factors constant on 100
obviously not 100 omusajja omutegeevu takukkiriza
to what extent would you invest on a scale of 100
on a scale of 100 I think 50
yeah. Okay some women are stingy njagala muwulirize
era otusakuze nawaza stingy okay I would invest in okay I do invest but si nnyo wekyetaagisiza on 100 30%. Yeah.
Allahu Akbar. Lastly
me on a scale of 100 I would invest 100
kwata wano bebe sabula
why kasita in a relationship notegeera omuntu wona akutegeera bw'aba talina invest 100 bw'aba alina invest 100 kiwedde
no I think you are talking about a situation whereby already muli babiri nga we have left the fact of talina tolina nga mwembi mulina
keeping other factors constant
it's a 70%.
a 70 yeah but that's a good
yeah nange 70
no like sikumwagala nnyo let me tell you masi omuntu akuinvestinga kyemanyi ku musajja bw'aba akwagala abuuzizza no omuntu bw'aba akwagadde omusajja nze kyemanyi ateekamu kingi so why would I be that
stingy
nze sisobola kuwa 70% eze sente yange ya kikazi no I give you the 70% because
I know in return you'll get 100.
Yes, I'll get 100 in return. Then I'll
ono
give
mwana wa
you the
business
70%.
nkwagadde investinga mu ngamanye 30% n'amagoba agagenda naye mase so many young women are busy investing in men baleetedde n'abakazi abasajja abamu okubeera nga bakola ki nga balemala. So whoever that you investing in bala ennaku zino ffenna tubala naffe abasajja tukuinvestingamu nga tumanyi nti somewhere somehow there will be returns. So tojja ng'ozunga nga ngenda kukubira njagala z'amafuta oba wa boda oba ndi staaka nga tosobola kukomyawo kuzembadde ntera okuwakola ki okwate. Some of us are good investors. You find someone like me, I invest starting from $1 million. Obuzibuzibu obwo nona mba mbusaanyaawo. So for that sake abakolola abaseka mubaleke. My name is One the King himself. Shoko obadde bagiyita Let's Talk. I'm always talking to young people from Makerere every single weekend. So tujja kuba twongera obbawa these episodes coming in every single weekend. Mugenda kuba mufuna a new and fully packed episode that's called Let's Talk. Shiba, thank you so much. What should I say really? You people, thank you so much for this for this episode. Tugenda mu lecture. See you next time. Catch you, drop all your comments down below.